Ja se zovem Natalija Brstilo i danas ću te naučiti kako se sprema pašticada.
For a region of the world that is culinarily known primarily for meat and potatoes, I gotta tell you, Dalmatia makes really good meat and potatoes, and I'm about to give you the secret.
The meat and the sauce of what my mother makes called Pašticada. It's traditional Dalmatian meal, and we do it for special occasions, maybe guest coming or a special day for in Croatia. I think like Christmas or Easter.
It all starts with
Venison. Venison is from Slavonia. We have some friends there. He's a hunter. All night is in the vinegar and the water. In the morning she bake it between 45 minutes to an hour, and then she put onion, all like seeds and water and salt and pepper, and then she puts concentrate from tomato. There is plum, dried plum, and then after that prošek, the dessert wine here in Croatia. After that, she cuts the meat, and then after that, she puts water inside of the pot, and she puts the sauce from the meat all together. You must mix it to get the better sauce. You put meat back, must cook it like very long time. She puts carrots, a little bit of bacon, it's also dry bacon, what you eat.
Oh. So that's the Pasticada, and the meat obviously takes hours to slow cook and to really get that sauce flavorful. But you also see on my plate is some gnocchi, and I'm also here to learn how to make Dalmatian gnocchi.
She makes gnocchi from the potatoes, eggs, flour, salt, butter,
Parmezana, syrup.
and then she makes these little snakes, we call snakes. It's like that, and she makes with piece of the gnocchi. She made like this. She take one and do like this, and make gnocchi. Or some people make this with around like this, but it's too many people, and then if she do it like that, she will be here like 3 or 4 hours the road, right? And then it's the same taste, so she make it like this.
And with that, I take my first lesson in making gnocchi.
This looks so simple. What could possibly go wrong?
Apparently, it's not that simple.
Make it wrong.
I'm already doing it wrong. Was I not doing that?
No.
But I get a passing grade on the second try.
Then it's well okay.
Yeah, it's okay now.
Okay.
Nine.
Nine, one by one.
One
One by one. Okay.
I'll eat these misshapen ones.
Do ujutro bi on napravio.
How fast she does it.
And I'm about to learn that in the Brstilo family, they make two types of gnocchi.
And she finished with cooking. She will do some fried for my son Luca. Don't like cooked gnocchi.
I've never heard of fried gnocchi before.
Yeah, you will taste today. It's called Roščiči here in Croatia, even in Dalmatian. Maybe some people do it in the world, I don't know, but my grandmother worked do it and my mother learned from her.